Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back to my shop. So, got a repair for one of the local farmers. It's not super exciting, it's just typical job shop life. I figured I'd, make a video, show you what comes in the door, what keeps the lights on, and gives you guys something to watch. So, right. So, we got two of these here. Came off the farmer's tractor, Massey Ferguson, I think he said. Not sure exactly what the application is. I'm not sure what this is. Some sort of studded flange. But apparently something rides here, and he'd like it greased. So our task is to put a hole through the center of it so he can grease it. Obviously thread this end and put a greaser in here. So said pretty simple. I did check this. File breaks it, so that's nice. So it's not super hard. So hopefully we won't have difficulty drilling it or tapping it. Now we do have, obviously, as you see, a ways to go. We got to go to get through the whole thing about 2.5 inches. Or for your metric guys, what is that, like 6.5 centimeters or 65 millimeters. So got a good quality 1/8 inch MPT tap for the grease fittings, and be able to make it through. I got some decent drill bits. We'll try these, and if we have difficulty trying to get through it, I do have these longer, sometimes referred to as aircraft drill bits, but this isn't good quality. This is just a cheapie. So I'm hoping we can make it through, just a little bit on the chuck. So we'll see how it goes. I think this is a better job for the lathe than the mill, because I can just chuck it up on this shoulder right here, and obviously we've got center from the tailstock. We don't have to go on the mill and find center and then peck this way. At least we can pull this way and try to get the chips to keep coming out. That's going to be the biggest concern, is chip clearance, since we got a long ways to go and we're using a small drill bit. So said fairly simple. Let's get over to the lathe. We'll get knocked out. Let's see how well it drills. Alright, now I'm at the bottom of the center drill hole. Alright, I think I've hit the harder shaft with a better quality steel versus that little flange. Tell it's taking more pressure on the drill bit, and the chips are different. Not sure if the camera's picking it up or not. jinx myself, but so far we're getting through it. Obviously we still got what, about 1.5 inches to go. Not trying to get crazy and push it. Just want to get these chips out of here and keep the tip of the drill cutting and not rubbing. You can tell it's hard, or harder. Alright, got as far as I could with the drill bit as is, so now we'll extend her out and hopefully we can get through that last bit with no bozos or Murphy showing up. Yes, we're through. Nice. I like it when it's uneventful. Alrighty, got the tap size drill bit for the 1/8 inch 27 NPT. So we'll just go in about 1/2 inch. Quick chamfer. Tap wrench to fit this won't clear the way, so we're just gonna get her started like this. Sorry if you guys can't see much, my hands are probably in the way. If that's any better. Give it a try. I'm thinking it might need to go a hair deeper. We'll see. Need about another thread and a half. All right. See if that's good enough. There you go, that's where we need to be. Nice, there you go. Just starting to kind of bottom out right there. All right, nice. One done. I'll go ahead and knock out the other one off camera. No need to see this thing twice, but that's what it looks like. We'll break that burr right there from the drill, but I think that should work out good for them. Somebody's wanting some attention there. Been busy with the lathe. You ready? I have to go outside because I got an obstacle course in here with all that steel. There you go, good boy. Say hey to everybody on YouTube. You got a family of friends there. Yes, you do. Everybody loves Mr. Chaos. He's a good boy. Gotta drop it over here. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. All wrapped up. Like I said, easy job. You know, it's not the most exciting thing, but this is job shop life, so I figured I'd show it. That's what keeps the lights on. You know, keeps the farmers happy. They keep bringing me work. You know, the biggest challenge was taking a small drill bit and, you know, going 2.5 inches. It's always a challenge drilling deep holes with small drill bits because you want to just get her done, and you got to fight that temptation because as soon as you do, you'll get chip packing and it'll grab that bit and break it, and that's the worst sound, man. Especially when it's deep down in a hole and it's a customer's piece, you know what I mean? So you got to just kind of take it easy, go about 100 thou, pull it out, clean chips. 100 thou, pull it out, clean chips, you know, and that worked out. So I'll give him a call. He can come grab them. He can put them back on his tractor and he'd be ready to roll. So that's it. Appreciate you guys watching and subscribing, hanging out with me. Not sure what next week's video is going to be, so just stay tuned and leave comments down below. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Until next time, take care, guys. All right, bye.